What's up guys, how you doing? And I'm glad to see you again on my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to trade binary options and how to make money from it, so make sure to watch this video to the end. After watching this video, if you'll be having any questions, you can ask me on Telegram. I'll leave you the link to my Telegram in the description below this video, and also the link to my Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals, and I also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. So make sure to check these links down below, and to sign up for PocketOption and to get 50% bonus on your deposit, make sure to text me today as well on Telegram to get the registration link. And without further ado, let's move to PocketOption and start our today's trading session. So here we go. Today we're gonna be trading the currency pair, the euro and the Canadian dollar, and it has the maximum payout, which is 92%. And we use two indicators, the Bollinger Bands and the Williams R% indicator. And let's make an up trade for $350 for 1 minute. And the chart shows that there is an uptrend, as you can see, but it began to slow down actually as the price growth stopped and even decreased by several positions. Nevertheless, I believe that the growth did not stop actually, and because when the price decreased, the Williams line took a horizontal position, which indicated a possible price increase or continuation of the uptrend. So let's see if I'm right or not. And now let's start our today's topic. So most people who see binary options as are unlikely to wonder what an option is and why is it called binary. And the most important thing is why people need this strange phrase, let me say. So binary options got it all. The rise of interest, the enchanting fall and rise, and they always attract attention. And their capabilities make many people feel dizzy. And by the way, colossal sums are earned and also lost here. So let's check our trade is about to close, and our first profit, $322. And I guess I was right. Now, let's look at how these options work. In fact, when buying an option for a certain period of time, it is called the expiration time or the trading time, let's say. The price is expected to be higher or lower than the initial price. Then the option is in profit, and if not, then the option amount is lost. Thus, traders have at their disposal a very easy method of earning money. And in fact, on two buttons in recent years, online trading has generally taken a path of maximum simplification, but still such trades should be taken as seriously as possible. So you can see like you got only two buttons, but guys, it is not that simple. And now getting back to trading, I'm about to make a trade right now, an up trade for $350 for 1 minute. And this time I noticed that the price was in a very narrow corridor from which it could not get out and was just in the lower position. Respectively, I expected it to move up. Binary options have such a feature that during the expiration period, it is no longer possible to influence the result of the trade. So let's observe our trade, let's monitor it, and let's continue our topic of today. So options are an agreement between the buyer of the underlying asset and its seller to buy or sell at a pre-agreed price in the future. So that is clear for now, but only for stock binary options. As for binary options, this is not relevant since they are not connected with exchanges in any way. So let's take a pause here because our trade is about to close. And here we go. I made my second profit, $322. We continue. And binary options are tied to a variety of assets. These are currency pairs, stocks on stock exchanges, and various stock indexes, and much more. All that a binary option does is allow you to earn money from forecasts on the prices of these assets. For example, did you correctly predict that Apple shares would fall in half an hour? Congrats! If you pay $100 and the payout is 92%, you will receive $92. So in total, you will receive $192 for the selected expiration date. So it's very simple, guys, isn't it? But you need to understand during the expiration period, stocks can grow if you do not expect it to fall. And I made a down trade for $350 for 1 minute. And on one hand, the price was able to break through the conditional corridor and grew up. But at the same time, the Williams line, for some reason, again occupies a horizontal position, and all because this indicator thus gives me a signal about a possible price decrease. And that's why I made a down trade. So let's see if I'm right or not. And let's continue with our topic. So if the price of an asset behaves unpredictably, then how can we predict where it will go? Is it even real? Yes. Millions of people on the stock and over-the-counter markets are doing just that. And another question is that there are few successful traders out there. As in any market, there are always winners and losers, guys. But the good thing is about trading is that everyone has chances here. Charts absolutely do not care what your age, gender, or social status. Everyone got an opportunity, and this is my opportunity. I made $322. We continue. Now, binary options are constantly developing, and there are a lot of new tools. People do not like to wait. So here, in 60 seconds, you can get over 80% payout. And few people can stand it and fall into the trap of carelessness and excitement. And in fact, it's just a speculative tool. Almost everything that people do on exchanges or at various binary brokers is just you expect the price movement. So you basically speculate the price. And binary options are traded both on official exchanges and at dozens of brokers that allow you to open trades. And when you first learn how binary options work, everything seems very simple. So that's the first feeling you will get. Now, I'm about to make a trade. Here I made a down trade for $350 for 1 minute. And here I saw that the price is at the resistance level, and despite repeated attempts to overcome it, it couldn't and pulled back down again. And then it was trying to rise again. And if so, then the price should just go down. So let's see what's going to happen. We monitor our trade for now. So let me continue with our topic. Market is a living, rapidly breathing organism. And if you carefully follow the price journey without opening trades, you will see how unpredictable the price can be. This is a natural chaos, especially for the new traders. Nevertheless, effective forecasting can be learned using exactly the same skills the stock traders have been learning and using for decades. And now, let's pay attention to my trade. The price has fallen very much. Continues to fall. I guess I'm winning this one. And here we go. I made $322. So most traders see binary options as a banal tool for short-term speculation, and rightly so. This is just a money threshing machine and nothing more. Why binary? Because all or nothing. Yes or no. 0 or 1. This is the so-called binary logic, guys, which is perfectly familiar to us. And either the option is it money or not, we're just talking here about the logic. And of course, we should salute the guy who came up with this idea. He basically simplified the traditional stock options to such a primitive and easy thing to deal with. All right, so shout out to this guy. Let me continue trading. I'm gonna make a down trade for $350 for 1 minute. And this time the price declining broke through the limit, the lower limit of the indicator Bollinger Bands, thereby giving me a signal about a possible price decline. And I suggest monitoring the chart for now, and let's continue with our topic. So, some new traders ask, how long will binary options last on the market? I can answer that they have existed in one form or another for more than 100 years. So this is not just like a few years ago, over 100 years. And after all, if you carefully read about one of the most famous traders in the world, Livermore, you can find out that before the Great Depression in the United States, there were a lot of offices opening intraday deals on stock prices, and at the same time, real shares were not sold or bought, and the legal status of such offices were very doubtful. They simply made it possible to work with stocks without buying them according to the course or the not expected scheme. So Livermore earned his money or his first money through this system, and my trade caused a profit, added to my account $322. And I would like to note that modern binary options are another reincarnation of this market, another product of various parallel market projects. So they still have to live and live and live through. As much as excitement lives in a person, the form may change, but not the content. As long as there is a market, there will be similar trades at the level of its price, in one form or another, with a wide variety of names. For example, now binary options are increasingly being renamed into digital or fixed contract. The essence is the same, only the name is different. So guys, it was there for a long time, and it will continue for also a long time. So let's continue trading, guys. We see that the downtrend movement of the price begins, so I'm gonna open a down trade for $350 for 1 minute. And this time I made my decision based on two indicators. The first one was from the Bollinger Bands when the price broke through its lower limit and continued to decline, and the second one was from the Williams indicator because its line began to decline as well, which with the general downward movement of the price indicated an additional signal about a possible continuation of the price declining or the price drop. So let's see how this trade is going to close. So despite the apparent ease of making a profit in binary options, remember, there are many difficulties and problems in this market. To make money here, you must understand that this is a difficult job and it requires perseverance and a clear mind. Only the realization of this will increase your chances of making success in this market. And here, our trade is about to close, and my trade cost of profit added to my account, $322. That's the end of our today's trading session. Let's analyze the results. Today was a very interesting trading session, and in only 6 trades, I was able to make $1,932. Guys, almost $2,000 in only 10 minutes, which is a very excellent result. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And guys, I would like to tell you that trading is just a thing. When you learn it once, it will stay with you forever. But for this friendship to be constructive, you will need to learn and work very hard. And remember, this is a marathon, it's not a sprint, so no need for you to rush anywhere. Control your emotions and approach the market with a clear mind, and it will start working for you. With the necessary knowledge, you can easily make money in binary options. Patience and passion and the right goals can lead you where you want to go. So guys, I hope this information was useful for you and it will help you make money on binary options. And again, remind you guys, as always, if you do not have any experience before starting any trade, I would like to study the market situation very carefully and use indicators that you understand their signals to reduce your risks and aim to make a profit over the long run. And I would like to also advise you to learn more about trading in general and about binary options. And as you have seen today, that analysis in binary options is not complicated at all. And in case you would have any questions, please guys, do not hesitate to ask me on Telegram. The link to my Telegram will be in the description below this video. And also the link to my Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals and I also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. Make sure to find these links down below and to sign up for PocketOption, which will give you 50% bonus on your deposit. Also takes them today on Telegram to get the registration link. And guys, if you like this video, please give it a like, leave your comments down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop a new video. That's been it for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.